Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in today's video we're going to talk about arithmetic operations in Java. So this is pretty basic. It's actually present in almost every language, okay? So these operations are very simple. Let's start by doing printing some stuff here. Let's type just simple numbers such as 5. If I execute this, I see the number 5 here. And if I put a minus at the beginning or in front of 5, I see minus 5, okay? So this is how you can actually create positive numbers and negative numbers. But I can also print the operation of two numbers or more. So let's say that I want to type 2 plus 2, which is a basic mathematical operation. And I will see here the output 4, which is expected. Okay, so we see 4. This is a very basic operation. You could also have, let's say, minus as well. So we're gonna see 0. We could have division, which is not this sign is actually a slash. Okay, you guys can see 1, and we have multiplication, which is not x, is actually a star or asterisk. Let's execute and we see 4. There's actually other operations. Let me see if this is available on Java as well, just to check. It's not available in Java, okay? So you guys can see that we have these operations. There are actually another one that is quite useful in some situations. That is the module or the rest of the division. So let's say I have the numbers 7 and I put %2. This is going to show me the rest of this division. So 7 divided by 2, if I do it this way, it's going to show me 3. If I convert this to, because these are two integers, if I convert that one of these two, let's say 7 to, by adding this dot 0, it is now a float or double. I'm not sure about that. But let's execute, and we see 3.5. Now, if we change this to 2.0, we see 3.5 as well. The point is that if you try to divide an integer by another integer, we will not see the exact division. We won't see the integer part. But we can actually get the module or the difference of this division by adding % here. So if we add %, the rest is 1, because 2 times 3 is 6 and 7 minus 6 is 1. So we should see 1 here, as you guys can see, okay? So these are pretty much the basics of arithmetics in Java. We're gonna see a lot more when we talk about operations and how use them to create some certain things, okay? So thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys next time.